You are watching hobbykit, a one-stop tech gear.
Hello everyone, welcome to hobbykit channel. Today I am going to explain how to use Telegram as a switch. It means if you send a text message to Node MCU, it will receive that message and act according to that activity. For that, I will open my Arduino IDE software. Okay, it will take some time, so I will use my circuit diagram by circuitio.in website. Click on circuitio.in website. I will be providing the link in the description. Click on the app and then agree the terms and conditions. Yes, we are using Node MCU, so we require a Node MCU, not Arduino board. So in the left side, I will search in the search bar as Node MCU. Okay, my Arduino IDE opened. I will just minimize it. Yeah, I will search for Node MCU and body Node. One second. NODE. Yeah, and click on the swap button. Yes, for demonstration purpose I'm using LED here, so I'll search for LED. Yes, here it is, and I will add it to my circuit. So this is the circuit diagram. The negative of the LED is connected to the ground and the positive is connected to the digital pins. As per your convenience, you can connect any pin of ground to node MCU. Yes, when I opened Arduino IDE, click on sketches, go for include libraries and click on manage libraries. Yeah, it is loading, it will take some time. If you are a new watcher to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos update. Yes, you need to install two libraries. First, universal telegram. Yes, so you need to install this. As I have already installed, it is showing that installed. You need to install this and also install Arduino JSON library. I have not shown here. Okay, then click on file, go to example and search for universal telegram. As we are using ESP8266, open that and click on flash LED. So this is our code and we need to just modify some things here, that is your SSID and your password, your bot token. Yeah, you need to add some extra line here, that is as define chart ID. Yeah, here chart ID, sorry, define ID wrote as define chart ID. So you will have a chart ID and a bot token from the app Telegram. So yes, our code is successfully finished. This is our total code. Now for getting bot ID and chart ID, we will open the Telegram app. Now open the Telegram app in your mobile phone. And search for bot father, BOTFATHER, bot father. Yes, click on that bot father and click on start and then select the new bot. Okay, first I will clear everything. As soon as you open the bot further, you will be appeared like this. So click on the start now. Yes, you will be appeared some message and click on new bot. Yeah, alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Just name something. I will name as telegram switching. Telegram switching. Yes, now I should choose a name for my bot, and it should be end with bot at the last. So as for switch for hobbykit bot. Sorry, this username is invalid. That means it has already taken that name. So you need to search with different names so that the ID is not unique. This name also taken. I will try Srikar. This one also taken. Oh, this is a bit hobbykit bot. No, it is already taken. Trying with capital letters. Hobbykit bot. No, it is also invalid. Trying Srikar's hobbykit bot. This is also invalid. Yes, finally I have made a hobbykit 143 bot, as I love hobbykit. Yes, here we get an IP address, that is the bot token. So copy it and come back and search for ID bot. Yes, and click on and send a message like /get ID, so that it will generate an ID. Copy that also. Yes, these are the bot token and chart ID which you need to fill in the Arduino IDE software. And click on bot further. As you click here hobbykit 143. Yes, this is the interface where you will receive the messages and activity. So now we will jump into the coding. Here I have updated with my bot token and ID, and I have provided SSID and password. So click on the upload button. As soon as the code uploads into the node MCU, it will get connected to the SSID and password which is provided in the code. So let's look into the live action. As soon as I click start button, it has shown some commands. Welcome Srikar. Use the following commands to control outputs. Yes, I have given LEDs on. Yes, the LED is turned on. And I got a reply that LED state set on. If I select LED off, then the LED will get turned off. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.